What do you want?
Gotta go fast. Oh yeah.
Oh god, that movie was so awful.
Yeah, seriously. It's, you know, it's just like not worth talking
Like,
about.
horror movies are so stupid.
Yeah, there's really no point to them. Yeah, that movie is just not worth it.
Jeez.
What's that?
I don't know.
Gotta go fast.
Run.
Open your car!
Come on.
Let's go! Let's go!
I gotta pick a song, man.
Well, that is true. Why don't? No, don't check out the Coldplay.
No, I got Ed Sheeran.
Oh.
Little ego Smith here.
Come on.
Hold on, man.
Get it
We
on.
can totally do a death chase to Fergal. Oh, I have Adele.
Ooh! Come on, put it on the song. Put it on the song.
Got it.
Come on, come on. All right, now we have your song. Okay, are you happy now?
Yes, I'm very happy I have my Rebecca.
But Mom, I know it's almost my bedtime, but I'm rolling with the big boys. I'm not gonna be getting serial murders like this anytime soon. I'm trying to pay the bills, okay? Fine!
Come on, just drive. Hey, hold up. Stop the car. Stop the car. Stop the car. You know what? My house is right there. I'm just gonna run.
Fine. Text me.
Yeah.
What do you want?
Gotta go fast. Oh yeah.
What do you want?
Gotta go fast.
Get out of my car. Wait, am I supposed to scream? Sorry.